Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are highly welcome. If today not the first time they come across this particular channel, you are highly welcome. God bless you. This one are God's Empire TV. I beg, if not today be the first time when you they come across this particular video, you are highly welcome. I beg, make you not fail to subscribe for me. Like this video, share this video, because today I want to talk about important something. So, for those of you who don't subscribe for me, God richly bless you now. I dey pray for now every day. God bless you guys. So today we want to talk about the power of prayer. We want to talk about the power of prayer. How prayer they work for our life. How prayer they important to us. How important prayer they like how prayer they important to us. Now we want to talk about today. So today I come across one video like that when my very good friend sent to me, and when I watched this video I was like, oh my God, this video, like the video touched me, it touched my spirit. I said, okay, make I come here, make I can use this video opportunity, make I use and take advice my fellow brothers and sisters, because when they talk about this thing since then, like many of us we know they list it, we know they put here that we think say prayer not the important. We think say as we they tell people, let us be strong in prayer. Maybe they try to pray every day. Many people think say we they disturb them concerning this prayer. So today I want explain to una how prayer take dey powerful, how prayer take dey very important to us, how it take dey important for us to be praying. Pray without ceasing. Prayer not get it too much. If you from today start out dey pray, go reach next tomorrow, nobody will tell you say you too pray, or God not go talk say, my daughter, my son, this prayer too much, stop. No, prayer not get it too much. So I come across this video where we say somebody enter person house, want steal babies, he want steal the woman children, he want thief the woman children. Meanwhile, this lady lock her gates. I will drop the video here after I don't advise on her, because I advice now I call advice on her. Prayer is very important. The power of prayer now I want to talk about. How prayer take help this woman, because I believe say without this woman not engage herself for prayer, if God not deal with this woman, I'm not sure say this victory when she gets to say she will get her. No. So this person, this young man enter this woman compound, want thief this woman children, want kidnap the woman children. I not gonna know how they can take cash the boy, but waiting I understand when they ask the boy say gate they lock, outside gate they lock, how manage you take enter inside compound? The boy tell them say in turn to animal enter inside compound. Really, I remember when we dey young that time, when we dey very little, our mother dey always tell when they don't dark like this, when one enter bed, our mother will tell us say, I beg, make sure you close that gate very well, make sure you lock that door very well, I beg, make una lock all the windows, oh, may anybody not enter house. But you see, this our generation when we just dey now, such thing not dey happen. Even if you lock all the whole house, wetin will happen go happen. But you know what if it prevent that thing may not happen? Now prayer. Now for you to stay close to God. Now for you to serve God. Now for you to know God. Now for you to get the fear of God. Yes. Because the way if una watch the video, the way the lady they sound, now once you tell no say she know God. Na person will be saying no God. Na person will know God. Prayer no get it too much. No say pray. I pray today. I pray tomorrow. I pray yesterday. Make her relax. No. If you know say you dey less busy, you don't need to come with group of people before you pray. You know the Bible say you must surely come with group of people pray before God will answer you. If it be say, because some people they know what they in the midst of group. In the midst of group of people, they pray because of waiting they happen nowadays, because nobody know who is who. You understand? You can pray alone. You can pray by yourself. Pray with your family. Gather. If you be woman, call your husband, call your children. You know, if you be man, call your wife, call your children. Make una stay together. Stick together. Like, pray together. Family that prays together, they stand together, they live together. You know, let us be strong in prayers, because nowadays things don't change. It not be like our forefathers' time. It not be like our father's time. It not even be like our mom. Now our old time when we just did now. Now all these things now just they happen. We don't need any other thing but prayers. Prayers is the key of anything you are doing now. Now prayer, you don't need security. Even your money this time cannot even save you. Your money cannot save you now. This time when we just did now, your money cannot save you. Security, when this one will say you get bodyguard, it cannot save you. Because this story, this video, they lock all compound. And I know say this time for Nigeria now, so compound day, like our compound for house now, 8 o'clock, it don't close. Back home, if you come there outside, 1 minute after 8, they not the open door for anybody. They not the open door, because different thing like they happen now. But upon not say they still lock gates now. They lock everywhere. Everybody they inside house, they sleep. Oh, somebody turn to animal. Enter inside the house. What else do we need? What till we can't need again? You don't need for pastor to prophesy to you, say you need prayer to protect yourself. You need prayer to protect your family. You need prayer to protect your husband or your wife. No, you don't need anybody to tell you. You yourself, you know that you need prayer for you to be protected. They use prayer, they bath your children, bath your husband, bath your wife every day. Every day. No, they wait for pastor will call put hand for your head. You will say you're lazy of prayer. No, don't be lazy of prayer. Don't be lazy of prayer. If not 5 minutes, if not 10 minutes, go on your knees and pray. Look for prayer group. I know say not be all prayer group because nowadays now not be all church, not be church. But that one don't mean say may you not like have a contact with Jesus. That one don't mean say may you not stay close to God. Stay close to God. Always pray. Always pray. Prayer is very important for you and I. Prayer is very important for your children, for your husband. Always pray so that you will be protected. Nobody will protect you. Not only God. It's only God that will protect you and your household. Not even your money. You don't get as you will get money rich. If God not there with you, forget it. What you want will happen. So the power of prayer. The powers of prayer. If you pray today, pray tomorrow, you know the way we take the, like some of us, the way we take they get money, the way we take they save money for bank, for account, especially those of us with the Europe. We get account for house, we dey save money there. A lot of us we still get we get houses. We want to try to build 2 to 3 houses. Some of us we get like all this vehicle when they road when we say if they work money break on for us, we they invest for future, we they plan for our children, we they save for ourselves, we they save in case when we old, when we don't dey weak, we go see wetin dey give us food. When we don't dey weak, we not going to fit dey work again. Maybe that time, those of some of us when we say we dey work, we come pension, our pension money not come real, because a lot of people for this, especially this Europe where we dey, we know else they work pension. It dey hard to see am. Maybe your pension money e not come reach anywhere, or a lot of us, we no want just stay this Europe, we just old, we want make money, go back house. Because of that, we dey save, we dey build house, we dey put money for account, we dey save, we dey minimize a lot of things so that for future. Na so prayer be. Sorry, I just attend to my baby. So na so prayer be. Prayer, if you pray today, you pray tomorrow, you pray next tomorrow. If you pray throughout the month, you know where that prayer they go. God they install for you. God, Jesus.